So Teresa says, I have a website. Not sure if people are finding it yet. I've been buying a lot of coffee for other therapists in town, but not sure if it's the best use of my time. So Teresa, if you're just getting started, I'd say coffee really is a good way to get your name out there. A couple other kind of just bullet point things that you really should do. I'd say sign up for a free Psychology Today 6 months. You can get that at practiceofthepractice.com/psychology today. Maybe someone can put that into the comments there for Teresa. So make sure you signed up there. If you haven't filed with Google My Business, make sure you have filed with Google My Business. Just go into Google, type in Google My Business. That's that little map that you see, and then it has the little pins that are on there. So you'll file, and then you want to probably get 5 to 10 reviews on there. Now, these are not from clients. These are going to be reviews from friends, family members, coworkers, people that know you that say, oh yeah, she's a great person. So glad she opened this practice. That's going to make you rank really high. So if I jump over to Google, and Teresa, let me just see, come back over to you guys. Let me see if you put where you're from. Brand new, so Charlotte, that's right. So I'm going to just type in, I'm going to go to Charlotte, North Carolina Counseling. And so right away I see that ThriveWorks Counseling is number 1, Charlotte Therapy Associates, and then 1 to 12 Counseling. So I know I probably froze for a second there when I jumped over. So when I Googled Charlotte, North Carolina Counseling, the top 3 that showed up, the top one was ThriveWorks, which is a national brand. They had 17 reviews. The other ones had 6 reviews and 2 reviews. So if you can get 20 reviews on Google Business from 20 people that know you or 20 people from in Next Level Practice, any 20 people that will say, you know, I can vouch for her, I'm going to do a Google review within your Google Business, right away you're going to start competing with ThriveWorks, and you're going to be on that map and show up right away. So I'd be doing that. Those are some basic things. As I do press releases, your local paper, local small business paper, all sorts of things. They're always looking for news stories, so do that. And then I would say, you know, host an open house. Have it be fun. Have it be, we did this thing, there's this lady named Miriam Pico. So Miriam Pico, she plays this amazing kind of like Latin guitar and sings. And so we had her come and do music, and then we served Pinot Noir and some other Pinots. So we called it Pico and Pinot, and it was an open house where it was fun, where we had some activities, we had some music, had wine, and I invited a bunch of my friends and just said, basically, I can write off a party for my friends, and if other people come, that's a bonus. So that was a great way to really kind of, at our new practice, get some people in here.